I'm from Kingston, Jamaica.
Oh, our Father, who art in Zion.
How do I feel about the support of my fans? It's reciprocity. What we give is what we receive.
Still I had a close one yesterday.
Music speaks volumes, and it mouth don't even move.
Are you ready? Only Rasta, if I really happy mood. Oh, my hills and valleys. Today you're down, comes tomorrow. Chances of rising again seem hollow.
This is Buju Banton.
It's been a long walk to freedom. Come walk with I can show you what we're gonna do now.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Hi, this is Buju Banton. First and foremost, I want to thank you all for coming out tonight. I want to thank you all for making time from your busy schedule to be here with us. I want to thank our sponsors. Yes, those who saw it fitting to come together in the spirit of unity to make something of this magnitude happen here in Jamaica. I want to thank those in the media, the print media, radio, television, for their love and their support over the years, and especially at this time. On the 16th of March, the National Stadium will be a venue like no other. So many years since I've seen my people, and we have exchanged communication spiritually, mystically. And on the 16th of March, we endeavor to reconnect. Yes? And pick up where we left off. So I'll be there, and I want to make sure I see you there. I'm not there tonight with you. Not in the flesh, but in the spirit, I am there. Yes? So, my love goes out to all. Thank you very much again for your love and your support. And until I see you in the National Stadium on the 16th of March, one love.
You may call him something else, but he's a master at his craft. You may ask, why? Because it's a stadium, and we must have concerns because of sound. So, Chuckles will tell you a little bit how our stage will be turned. Our
money flows downtown. Can you turn the guitar up a little bit, please? All right. Water flows downtown, still I do not drown. Money flows uptown, still I wear the crown. No prison can hold me, I'm like the tree, with my roots on the ground, blue skies within my reach. Yeah, I'm free, yes, baby. Yeah, I'm free, yes, baby. Free to love, laugh, be. Yes, I'm free. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, I'm free. Yes, baby. Thank you.
music and the culture of Jamaica from a company that produces the most important Jamaican products is why we're associated and excited to be associated. Boom Energy Drink represented tonight as a main sponsor with our affiliated products, water, the finest water from under the earth, and True Juice, natural juices from right in Bangor, are very excited to be a part of this event. I don't have the ability to sing like the other speakers who came up here, but I will tell you, I will never forget. I don't know who was at the Buju concert at right by Emancipation Park. Anybody remember that concert? I stood up onto the stage, and I will never forget the energy and the vibe.
Boom! So we're here and we're excited, and like you all, we are anticipating this wonderful, amazing show that we know that only Buju Banton can bring. And for you patrons, Boom is excited to bring you extra value to the event, not only through early access with Boom early bird tickets, but also with exclusive promotions for ticket giveaways on all of our social media pages. You can also enjoy this experience if you're not going to be at the event. We're going to be having a live stream directly from the show so you can engage and be a part of what's happening. With Miss Kitty as well as Amita, they will be hosting a broadcasted show which will include all of our VIPs, special artist interviews from backstage, as well as a nice segment on, well, high energy Boom from our Boom Divas, who I have a couple of them here now with me representing. But we will be lighting up.
Is everybody on social media basically becoming a promoter of the event themselves? The Buju effect is the joy that we felt when we saw him come home. So, as the premier gaming and entertainment provider in Jamaica and a growing number of Caribbean countries, we recognize the effect and the impact that Buju's career has had to this point, and we respect his legacy. We see him connect authentically with his fans from all walks of life, and we eagerly await the next chapter of his exceptional career.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.